everyone, welcome to my show. Is it good? Today we're making one pot pasta. So we start out with some olive oil, like 2 tablespoons. Okay, let it heat up a little bit. Then we add some onion, just diced. I'm going to stir that. We add the garlic, 2 to 3 cloves. Stir that up. And saute this until it's nice and fragrant. Once it's nice and fragrant, you want to add in your pasta. So we're making the risotto style. Add this fragrance to come out. Oh yeah. Half a box. I'm using penne. Make sure you keep stirring. Get that nice flavor. A few minutes, keep on stirring. You want that coat the pasta so it has a nice golden texture. You want to add a ladle of tomato sauce in there. Oh, that in there. Yeah. Smells delicious. A little bit more. Okay, the secret to a one-pot pasta, you have to use hot water. Hot water, okay, not too much water, but a hot water. You have to pour that in. Cover. Alright, and you want to close it and cook in medium low heat for 10 minutes. Okay, while we wait for the pasta to be done, you could make it as without meat, but I would like some chicken, so I am gonna grill some chicken. I don't want to add the chicken with the one pot pasta because I hate dry chicken. I hate it when it might overcook. So I'm gonna grill this chicken breast. I only season it with salt and pepper, and that is it. So I'm gonna grill some of these chicken. Heat up my pan with some oil. And it go really well with the pasta. Yeah. So in the meantime, while the pasta is cooking on medium to low heat, I'll be grilling some chicken breast for the pasta. You could do it without the chicken breast, but I want chicken and I don't like dry chicken. So what I do is that I like to pan fry it and then put it on top of the pasta. Or you could pan fry it, chop it up, and then stir it in with the sauce. I know it defeats the purpose on one pot pasta, but I just don't like dry chicken. So what I did was I grilled the chicken with salt and pepper, and in a few minutes in both sides, and I flip it. Just check, looking good. Grill that. Yeah. Nice grill mark. There we go. Just let that cook, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna check on the pasta to see how it's doing. If you feel like it needs a little bit more water, you can add a little bit more water. Okay, and put it back underneath, cover it, and we'll check in another few more minutes. Okay, let's check to see how the pasta is doing. Ooh, looking good. So after, when it's almost done, I like to do a couple of bunches of spinach, and of course some diced grape tomatoes, and stir that up. Yeah, that looks good. You just have to, you don't have to, I don't like overcooked vegetables, so I put that at the last minute. And yeah, some more spinach. And this dish is done. You just have to check for seasonings. Okay. Let's taste. Turn off the flame. Yep, season with some salt and pepper. Okay, it should be perfect. Okay, to finish this dish, I have the grilled chicken I made. So just pour some in there with the juice and all. Okay, and you just want to stir that up. And your dish should be done. Time to plate. There you have it. This one pot pasta is done. I top it off with some Parmesan cheese. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my video. I'll see you next time. Bye.